This is Kaka AI. No degree, no design skills. This is ChatGPT Images. A normal person can create content using this. No software, no tools. Beginner? Yes, you. Level check. You can create thumbnails, images, and content. This thumbnail is made using AI. It works in simple steps. Anyone can start today. I am not a designer. I started as a beginner. You write text, and AI creates images. Just a simple prompt. No experience required. This was my first result. You can use this for YouTube, Instagram, and business. Content creates opportunity. Just open ChatGPT and go to Images. No confusion. Just follow the steps. That's your first step done. If I can do it, you can too. So why should beginners start now? Time is moving and AI is growing. The future belongs to AI. Now it's your choice. Now practice and start creating. Keep it simple. Just start. This is Kaka AI. Subscribe and start your AI journey.